Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And a very, very crazy day. A typical buy the rumor, sell the news. But MJNA actually held up quite nicely compared to a lot of the other pot stocks out there. And when I say held up quite nicely, how am I defining that? I mean, it's one thing to just make a broad statement, but how exactly am I, defining that broad statement? And for those of you that have been watching the videos, this should make sense. But it's all about that pink line there, which I've been talking about, and that is the overall moving average, the overall trend indicator, the 200-period simple moving average. And as long as the price is above that area, and this is just a foundational rule in charting, then you still got to give the overall advantage to the bulls, because that implies that lows are getting higher and higher as time goes by. So for that, I actually want to kind of scrunch up the chart here so you can see exactly that. The trend is still up. Yes, this downwards move right now is not the most exciting thing, and it is a lot about perspective. So there is perspective that goes into it. Meaning if you are a day trader and you bought right there this morning and you wanted to sell within 2.8 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But again, if you care about the big picture of things, the bulls are hanging on there. Yes, it's on thin ice, but the bulls are doing a good job. And again, it goes back to that pink line there, which is that 200-period simple moving average. And once again, the price held above it. Sure, during that opening 30 minutes right here, the price did go, get below it, but that didn't last very long. The bulls bounced back up. Price did roll back over, but surprise, surprise, what a coincidence. Look, right where the price just happened to close, right at that pink line. Those are the, these are the things that always make me laugh, and some people say, oh, charts don't work. Well, look at that. Another little coincidence right there. But anyways, I'm getting off topic. So point here being, 200 period is definitely the key level of support, so I'm just going to get rid of that one. Yeah, it pertains, but I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. And to give credit where credit's due, the bulls are doing a fantastic job of holding the price above there and staying up above it, and that's what you want to see from the big picture perspective. So, as long as that continues, then yes, the overall uptrend, keyword there being overall, again, broad picture, is still in the bulls' favor. But if the price drops below there and then starts to separate further and further away from it, that is where things cross over from no longer being a pullback, but at that point, you would say the chart is reversing. But right now, in my opinion, at least, you still got to just classify this as a long-term pullback. So we'll see what happens, and we'll see if the bulls can overcome the typical buy the rumor, sell the news. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.